playing zombies before we leave to go to the haunted place and try and catch some demons. Are you excited to catch some demons? Yeah, me too. We're finally here. I think it's like 2:30 in the morning. We're at the factory. 2:25. We're at the factory right now. Oh my gosh.
Just try to pull in, make it.
We gotta hide the car so no one calls the cops. We're walking up to it now.
Alright, yeah, I'm glad you're videoing. Because last time me and Bo were here, I was walking up here, and before I started the camera, of course, there was like 2 lights that went up in between. You see where, here, stop real quick. Right between this and that, they went up. And I was like, what the heck is that?
Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if we found like a homeless person in here.
No, that's why we gotta yell every time we go into it.
Yeah, we definitely have to yell and make sure no one's in here. That's so cool. And we purposely came here at like, let me get my phone. 2:27 right now. If you can see that, 2:28. Purposely came here at this time so that we could be here at 3 a.m.
I just heard it.
Hello? Yeah. Is anyone here? No. Looks like we're good over here. Hello? We think we just heard something outside. We keep hearing like things moving around us. And did y'all hear that?
Yeah, I heard that.
Dude.
Let's go back there.
Oh my god.
No, we're going back here.
That's terrifying.
Been back here like a morning.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Wait, you been back here?
This place is huge. Like you can't really see it on camera, but it's huge.
Hey, we still gotta look out.
I swear to God, I just keep hearing someone walk. It's really sketchy.
Go up those steps.
Oh my gosh, dude, that's so sketchy.
Are we stepping off on this floor or?
Yeah.
Whoa, wait, what's this?
Look at that. It's like stuff growing up here. Oh wait, there's more. Oh my god, this scared
the wind.
Dude, that scared the crap out of me. I thought something was beating on it.
Me too. That scared the shit. My heart's racing.
Dude, that was scary. Alright, all that's over here. Let's go up that other level.
Okay.
Look how flimsy this, what we would be walking on is. It's just another like random like flat floor. It's fine. Alright, let's just go back down.
What up, miss?
We're in a different area now.
Look, there's a
Oh, it's a bird. You see it?
no.
Little baby bird. Right there.
Someone was like riding their bike right here or something.
Yeah. Hello?
That's creepy.
Oh shit. No, that's a car. Oh, that's cool.
Wait, man, I heard it too. Battery for my Xbox controller.
Oh, dope. We can play Black Ops all night now. It also, did you read where it said this place was extremely like profitable and
Yes, they made like so many millions. Like
Yeah.
over 10 million.
so it didn't go bankrupt at all.
No.
We're going to the main buildings now. That wasn't even the main buildings. Those are like, this is now. We're gonna try and go in every building. Alright, we're gonna make sure there's no homeless people. Hello?
Alright, I guess we're good.
Yeah. Let's go around the side so we don't like get scratched up for no reason. So it's like it's 2:50 right now. We're gonna try.
And we don't even know if this will work.
Yeah, we don't know.
This is the one building we've never been in.
We've never been in this building. We're gonna try and go up these stairs, go up here, and then get an overhead view of this building, this entire building, when it hits 3. Can we get up there this way?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we can. Oh, here we go. All the way into the building. Hello? Is anybody there?
I felt something just touch the back of my head.
Are you serious?
Yeah,
Wait, could it be the wires?
Hold on, I was standing right here. Is there anything? I heard a noise over there.
You're standing right there?
Is there anything?
No, there's nothing behind you. I really want... I want something to happen though. Just not anything that results in death. Yeah, it's like all like dust and stuff down there. I don't know. What?
Okay, I think it's water.
Bo, what time is it?
It's 2:56 right now.
Should one
All right.
person stand on this side, one person stand in the middle, one person on this side?
Sure, I call that side. Dude, I'm hearing stuff. Here, switch. Alex, switch me. I can't go there. Yeah, you'll hear stuff over there. It's terrifying.
I heard something over there.
Yeah, I'm hearing like tapping. But it's not like water tapping. I don't know. Oh, dude, it feels like it sounds like someone just put weight like on the roof. What the heck was that noise? I can't tell at this point. No, I heard it. It's 3 o'clock and
It's
now
3
we're
o'clock. We're hearing voices.
as it turned 3 we started hearing voices.
Get over here so we all know that it's not us.
Yeah.
And stand still. It's coming from down there in that hole.
Yeah, there's
Yeah, I hear it. Down
Hello. Alright. I guess we'll see if we got anything on camera.
there. I know we were hearing stuff.
Yeah, I definitely heard stuff. Just
What, did you hear that voice?
yes. Hello?
What was that? That was loud as hell.
Sounds like something's like cracking.
What's that?
Go, go, go. Get out of here. Please. Lights on. Holy shit.
Where that opening is, that's the bottom. There's an opening in that room, and that's where the bottom of this place leads.
Should we go in it?
Yeah, we might as well. It's 3 a.m.
We gotta do it.
We have to. Alright, we're going in the place now.
We're here.
We were just up there. Now we're going in here. This is literally where we just heard all those noises. Hopefully the camera picked some up. Yeah, that's where we were. Now we're down here where we heard everything. We're walking in the main building and we keep hearing something like scream, and it's just getting closer and louder. So we're gonna walk in. We're gonna make sure there's no homeless people, and then we're gonna walk in.
Why is he getting closer, dude?
All right.
Hello? Is there anyone in here?
I heard it.
Is that you?
No, none of this.
Hello? Here, footsteps. There's someone. Heard the scream.
That's exactly what it was.
See what's doing that?
Hello?
Whoa,
Oh my-
Can we get out?
Oh my god.
Yeah, let's just
Oh, no. It's not that way. It's this way. What? Oh my god. We're really high up right now. Like, oh my god, the scream. That's the top of the main building and we're higher than that. Alright, I want to explain. We don't fake this stuff either. Like, if we don't have any content, like, at all, we just don't upload it.
We've been to multiple places where we did not upload a single thing from it because there was nothing like
Interesting.
we thought that y'all would find interesting.
But this place genuinely creeps us out and we hear stuff. Oh, this is where we... See, that's a bird. That's a bird. See, this is where we just heard the footsteps and a extreme, like, wailing pain.
I just heard a long wailing, the one that Alex heard.
Yeah, this is...
Yeah.
Oh gosh, my camera's about to die too. Uh-oh.
If you want us to leave, yell. Make a loud noise.
We're hearing something in there. Here, let's walk over here.
I heard something.
Do y'all want to go in?
After this airplane.
Huh?
After this airplane.
This is a small space, so if we hear anything.
Who's in there?
Hello?
Go. Go.
Get out of here.
Who's in there?
Hello?
Go. Go. Get out of here. Dude, I was
Just hear that.
I was still looking in there and I look backyard gone.
Why are we still looking in there?
I don't know.
No, something's going on at this place.
This place is it's not right. Well, we're officially done tonight. We heard a lot and it
That was freaky.
was really loud at times. Like it got, I don't know.
That's
like,
why we were running.
I don't know how well the audio is gonna be, but I'll try and boost it up or whatever. I'll try and do whatever I can do.
I was touching your shoulder.
I know it.
But yeah, we're gonna call it a night and probably go home, play some Black Ops or something.
Zombies.
If you liked the video, subscribe and like and comment.